Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some fried chicken tenders. Yes, I know that I already have a video on my channel and how I make it, and I know you guys love it so much. I get so much positive comment, so I hope you guys do enjoy this one also. I might switch it up a bit, okay? So guys, don't forget to share this video, give me a thumbs up, share it to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it, okay? So this is my chicken breast that I have. I'm gonna cut it up and show you guys. These are all of my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of onion and salt powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 1 teaspoon of cajun seasoning. And I'm gonna also add 1 teaspoon of my cayenne pepper. Yes, 2 eggs, 2 large eggs. This is my hot pepper sauce, and that's 1/4 cup. And I'm gonna also add some cornstarch. Here I have at least 1/2 cup of cornstarch and at least 1.5 cup of my plain flour. That's my milk right there, and I'm using just over 1 cup. Okay, yes. So guys, my chicken breast is already washed and clean. I wash it in some lemon juice, okay, just to remove some of the rawness away from it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna flatten it down just a bit so it fry, you know, evenly, okay? And guys, you don't have to do it, it's totally optional. But as I said, I'm gonna switch things up a bit from my other video. So here I have one of these food hammer, and I'm just gonna smash it down. Yeah, just like so, okay? Yeah. Yeah, that's perfect. So now I'm gonna cut it all up in tenders. You want to make sure that your knife is sharp. This knife is pretty sharp. It is not dull like the other one in the other video. I'm gonna cut it like this size. If you want, you can cut it more smaller, more bigger. It's all depends on how you want it. I love chicken tenders, especially my kids. So guys, with this chicken breast, I'm gonna make some chicken nuggets. So you just want to cut it like so now. Yeah, like so. Perfect. Gonna add it to my bowl. You want to make sure, guys, that your chicken breast is all dried, okay? So I add the chicken tenders and my chicken nuggets in the same bowl. It doesn't really matter. So first thing, I'm gonna add some olive oil, at least 2 teaspoons. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna blend all my seasoning together. And I'm not gonna add all my seasoning, guys. I'm gonna leave back some for my breading, okay? So that's perfect. So now I'm just gonna add it to my chicken breast. Notice I didn't add no salt because the onion and salt powder, it have salt in it, you know, so that's why I didn't add no salt. So this is the amount of seasoning that I leave back for my flour mixture. So now I'm just gonna take my hands and just mix it all in. You can always use a gloves. Just make sure that all your chicken breast is all covered in the seasoning, because you want it to be nice and flavorful. It smells good already, guys. It smells really good. And you can always leave your chicken, guys, to marinate for at least 30 minutes. But as long as you season it properly, it will still be delicious. So this is nicely seasoned. That's perfect. So guys, now I'm gonna add my seasoning to my cornstarch and my flour mixture. But firstly, I'm gonna mix it all in. And the reason why I add the cornstarch, guys, because it's gonna allow your chicken tenders to be super crispy. If you want, you don't have to add it, okay? But you know, I like to add cornstarch to my chicken at times. So what I'm doing, I'm just mixing it all together, okay? So everything will all combine. So firstly, I'm gonna add some of my onion and salt powder. And I'm adding at least 1 teaspoon, okay? Then I'm gonna add some of my Old Bay seasoning. At least 1 teaspoon, okay? Then I'm gonna add my remaining seasoning. I'm just gonna leave back this amount. You wanna make sure that everything is all combined, okay? So I'm gonna also add just a bit of my black pepper. So that's done. I'm just gonna leave it to the side, okay? That's perfect. So this is all my wet ingredients. So what I'm gonna do, guys, my egg, I'm just gonna blend it all in. Just like so. Then I'm just gonna add it to my milk. And I'm gonna also add my hot pepper sauce. And I'm also gonna add my remaining seasoning. I'm gonna mix it all in now. So that's done, guys. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add my milk onto my chicken. And I'm just gonna allow it to sit for at least 30 minutes, okay? And the milk that I'm using, guys, is just an ordinary milk. It's not buttermilk. If you want, you can also use buttermilk, okay? That's it. So guys, my chicken been soaking for at least just over 30 minutes, okay? As you can see, I put a cling film over it. So now I'm just removing it. So I'm just gonna coat it in my flour mixture. You wanna make sure that you drain off all the excess milk. and just coat it. You can always use your hands, okay? Make sure that it is nicely coated. Shake off any excess flour. And if you want, guys, you can always coat it 2 times instead of 1. Like, you can dip it back, but it is totally optional. And coat it again. You can always do that, okay? And if you do it that way, the flour is more likely to stick even more. So you see that? That's perfect. I'm just gonna take it and put it to my grill right here. And the reason why I put it on the grill, so all the excess flour will all, you know, remove from it. Yes. And you just want to carry on with the same process. So guys, I started to use my hand instead. Make sure that you squeeze the flour in, okay? So it stick on your chicken breast, as I was saying. So now I'm gonna do my chicken nuggets. So these are my chicken nuggets. And I'm also gonna double dip it. Just like so. And you just want to carry on with the same process, okay? So that's perfect. So guys, it is all coated and this is what it looks like. Make sure that your oil is heated up, okay? Yes. So guys, now that my oil is all heated up, I'm gonna add a scotch bonnet pepper to see how hot it is. This is totally optional. It's not gonna make your chicken be spicy, but you can just add, you know, just a bit more flavor to your oil. Yes. And to just see how hot it is, as I said. Yeah, that's perfect. It's not too hot. You don't want it to be super hot. So now I'm gonna add my chicken tender first. You don't want to add all of it all at once. I'm gonna add at least 6. And I'm just gonna allow it, guys, to fry for at least 8 minutes, okay? Eight to 10 minutes. So guys, around 5 minutes after it's frying, what you can do, you can just try and turn it over, okay? They're looking super delicious. So guys, my chicken strips been frying for just over 10 minutes, okay? and they're looking super delicious, so nice and so crispy. So now I'm gonna remove it now, and I'm gonna put it to my grill. They're looking so nice, guys, and so crispy. So guys, all my chicken tenders is all fried. So now I'm gonna fry my chicken nuggets, and I'm just gonna fry it for at least 6 minutes, okay? I'm gonna add all of them. And guys, what you can do, you know, sometimes when you're frying your chicken, sometimes you can see the chicken is actually coming through the flour. And what you can do, you can leave back the flour that you use to coat your chicken. You just leave back some and just, you know, dip it back, okay? Because as I said, sometimes you can see the chicken coming out. So you can just leave back the flour and dip it back in it. I hope you guys understand what I meant. So guys, my chicken nugget is all fried. So now I'm gonna remove them also, okay? They're looking so nice and so crispy. Perfectly fried. So guys, this is what my chicken tenders and my chicken nuggets look like. I'm telling you, it came out perfect. It is so nice, so golden, so crispy. This recipe right here, guys, is a must try. Your families, your friends, everyone is gonna enjoy it. Super delicious. Best homemade chicken strips ever. So guys, as you can see, I'm just plating it all up. So I have my chips right there, and I also have some barbecue sauce. You can have it with whatever you preferred. So I'm just gonna put my barbecue sauce right here. And I'm gonna put my chicken nugget just around it, like so. So guys, I'm just tasting my chicken tenders and I'm telling you, it came out perfect. It is absolutely delicious. If you try this recipe, comment below and tell me what it's like. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.